welcome back. My name is Freddy D, and today we're going to talk about Groovefunnels free. What can you actually do with a free account? Okay, and so I get that question pretty often, and it really is from a perspective of someone who doesn't have much to invest, but who wants to get started digitally. So, how do you make money online? That is really the question. And so we're going to talk about it. First of all, you could become an expert or not become an expert, but get paid for your expertise, okay, as a consultant. And that is really an advisory role where you pretty much do almost no work, but you advise people to get a certain problem solved. So that's number one. Number two is done for you. Done for you is extremely profitable. A lot of successful people and business the time really have the time to get things done themselves. Okay, so SEO, marketing, sales, those type of things. Um, and so if you're able to offer something that is of high value, which in many cases is tied to time invested, if you can save other people and other businesses a bunch of time, that becomes very valuable. Something in between done for you and consultancy is done with you, and so that happens in the form of group coaching. You see that before probably online. You can offer memberships. So for a certain period of time, you coach people on getting something done, and you do it together in a group, for instance, or one on one. And so you could use it. You could use Groove member, for instance, right? So you get one free membership, and it allows you to have up. It allows you to have 100 members, which is great. Now you need to be found, so you need a website. And when those people visit your website, you want to convert them into paying customers. So you need a funnel, okay? And lo and behold, the free version comes with free websites and free custom domain. So that is very cool. So another way of making money is affiliate marketing. Affiliate marketing really is all about promoting other people's products where you get cut a percentage, 20%, 40%. It kind of depends. Okay, and Groovefunnels or Groove.cm has a fantastic platform that you can actually go out and promote. And so if you take a good look at it, you got Groove Affiliate that you can use. If it's a different type of affiliate product that you're trying to sell, well, there's Groove Sell. Okay, so you can use and you can sell ebooks, you can sell courses, all these other products, digital products that um, you didn't need to create. So that is absolutely awesome. Okay, and so Groove is the perfect platform for you to start. Low cost, which in this case means no cost. And the other thing that you can use or do is e-commerce. E-commerce is kind of complicated, to be honest, but you can get started. You can get your store through Groove Cart and get started. So those are some of the simple ways to make money. I hope it has inspired you to take action, and you're really limited by your imagination. There's a lot of free content on YouTube. When you become a member of Groove, there's a lot of explainer videos on how to how to build your own funnels and websites, how to use email. Um, all these videos are geared to help make a killing online. So, what are you waiting for? Click the link below and get started today.